Right, hello, and of course, I hope you've enjoyed the last bit of the video, all the pictures. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this sort of series of videos about my quest or project to build this, the Supermarine Mark 1A Spitfire. Now, this is how far I've got. The plane is actually completely and utterly constructed and built. There's not one thing which needs to be done. It's all done. All the bottom, the wheels, air intake here, there, the undercarriage, little wheel at the back. Everything is done, apart from the paintwork and the decals. All I need to do is I need to paint brown pieces in here and here where it's grey, and put decals on, and then this will be finished, and there'll be sort of like a grand finale video. This is taking a bit longer than I thought it was going to. I mean, I started it Monday, and it's now Thursday, so I think tomorrow I'll paint the brown, and if I don't get it done like early before tea, it won't be dry for me to put the decal stickers on, and I won't be able to do it at the weekend, so it would have to be Monday. So that means there's over a week. Well, actually, no, it will be a week. It'll be 7 days. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying this series of videos. I mean, I'm enjoying making this. I mean, it's the first Airfix model I've properly made and painted everything. So there definitely will be more on this channel. So be warned, there will be more. So those of you out there which are looking at my channel and thinking, no, I hate Airfix, sorry, but there's going to be more, because I love it. It's really good. And this will be going on my layout, my model railway layout. I'm going to have like part of an airfield, and this will be sat there on pride of place. I did think the paint would be, I thought I'd ruin it, but no, I didn't wreck it, didn't ruin it. Well, not so far anyway. But the only thing that I could have done better is the cockpit. I've got some glue on it, so it's not completely see-through. You won't be able to see it, but yeah. Thanks for watching. I really hope you're enjoying these videos. I think there probably will be one or two more in the grand finale video. Thanks very much for watching. Check out some more videos on my channel. Subscribe. And one thing I will say, if you like my videos, please like them. Press the like button, because I've not been getting too many of those. So thanks very much, and goodbye.